If you're in the market for a business opportunity, the chances are good that you've explored a variety of ways to make money online and work from home. In truth, there are so many internet business opportunities out there that it's almost impossible to tell the best from the rest. And the grim reality is that, while thousands of people launch online businesses in the hope of achieving financial freedom, the majority end up making very little money at all, or worse, paying out more money to their uplines than they're ever able to recoup. The good news is that, with the right partnership, you can promote your existing business while multiplying your revenue streams. That way, you don't have to rely on a single, make-or-break source of income. It's a bit like planting a garden. It would never cross your mind to plant a single seed in the spring and count on that to feed your family throughout the summer. Instead, you'd plant many varieties of seeds, knowing that one or more will bear fruit as the seasons progress. The internet business partner you choose should be one that can provide you the one thing that is the downfall of most work-from-home opportunities: training. All too often, people who intend to succeed come up against their own limitations and fail to properly market their products. In our garden analogy, that's like planting your seeds in a drought. Why bother? The company you select should have a proven track record of internet marketing success, and give you the water spigot and hose you need to tend to your business garden. So, make sure to look for a company that provides you with training on topics ranging from online and offline marketing to back-office functionality and goal setting. They should also be equipped to provide you with tutorials on a wide variety of powerful marketing techniques. After all, there's stiff competition on the internet, and in order to successfully compete, you need to know all there is to know about methods such as article marketing, blogging, email marketing, banner advertising, press releases, pay-per-click advertising, and viral marketing, just to name a few. At the same time, being knowledgeable about internet marketing doesn't mean that you need to reinvent the wheel. Instead, look for a business opportunity that provides you with tools like professional lead capture pages, automated follow-up, a sales center, and a secure website. Ideally, they should also provide you with highly sought-after products that you can resell, items like audios, videos, software, templates, and guides. This way, you can increase those revenue streams by earning a healthy commission on every sale, and still have the professional infrastructure in place to promote your existing business. When you know what to look for, it's not difficult to separate the best internet business opportunities from the dregs. In no time at all, your seeds will have sprouted, your plants will bloom, and you'll be reaping a bountiful harvest.